Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I want to show you how to delete temporary files in your computer. So deleting temporary files can help you improve the performance of your computer, increase the memory space, or it can also be used for troubleshooting those applications that are not working correctly. So first you're going to right click on the start button, then go to settings. Then from the settings window you select system. Then on the left side you're going to choose a storage. So looking at my screen, you can see actually several things, and you can as well tell which app is occupying this amount of space. So in this case I'm only interested in temporary files. So if I select temporary files on the list, we let it update so that it generates all the temporary files in your computer. So all these are generated by different applications or services running in your computer. Like we can have the downloads, we can have the thumbnails, we have the delivery optimization files, among others. So when you want to delete, it's you to select which ones that you want to delete. Then you can go ahead and remove. So in my case, I'm not going to delete all of them because I still need some of them. So I'm only going to delete the temporary internet files and the temporary files that are generated by applications that are running in my computer. So once I select these two, then I'll go ahead and click on remove files, and that is it. So if you wanted to remove any other temporary files, all you need to do is just select, then you go ahead and remove them. And that is it for deleting temporary files. Hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.